The bearish kicker candlestick pattern is often used by traders to identify a swing to the downside when it comes to price movements. In this video, I'll show you what it looks like and how we calculate it here at TradeOxy. The bearish kicker candlestick pattern is a 2-candlestick pattern. To identify the bearish kicker candlestick pattern, you need to meet the following conditions. First, the first candle must be bullish and the second candle must be bearish. Secondly, there must be a gap in the price movement between the open of the first candle and the open of the second candle. Finally, the second candlestick can never breach the gap between the first and the second candlestick. When these conditions are met, we say that we've identified a bearish kicker candlestick pattern. And now I'll show you how we calculate it here at TradeOxy. First, we make sure that the first candle is bullish and the second candle is bearish. Then, we make sure that there's a gap between the open of the first candle and the open of the second candle. When these conditions are met, we say that we've identified a bearish kicker candlestick pattern. The theory behind the bearish candlestick kicker candlestick pattern is that there has been a sharp change in the direction of the price. You can see that by the first candlestick being green in nature, indicating that the price is heading upwards, followed by a very sharp gap and change in direction of the overall price movement. You can see that in the second candlestick where it starts below the open of the first candle and continues downwards, making sure that it's a red one. What we've done with the TradeOxy platform is ensured that you're able to calculate this at scale across thousands and thousands of different assets. Whether you're interested in the US stock market, cryptocurrencies, or the foreign exchange market, we can calculate this for you at scale, and it's really fast. Of course, all trading is at your own risk, but we believe this platform will really help you. Check it out.